Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at another Sofirn flashlight here. This is the SP31 version 2.0. It's a tactical style flashlight, up to 1200 lumens, 5 modes. It has a hidden strobe and SOS modes, rechargeable 18650 battery, and I've been playing around with it a little bit here just to get familiar with it. I actually did look at the instructions. Do you believe that? It's crazy. So typical Sofirn fashion, we get a customer service card, micro USB charging cable here, charging cradle for the 18650 battery, 2 extra O-rings, and a lanyard, flashlight, instructions, the battery. Let's show you the battery. Everything is nicely machined on this guy. We have a 18650 battery, branded with the Sofirn logo there. 3000 milliamp hours. These are good batteries from my experience. They're not junk. Everything is nicely machined, as you see there. There's the O-ring, and the top actually unscrews as well, like so. Get the battery out that way if you want. Same thing, we got the O-ring on this side as well. This, I guess, this head unit is the main brain. This is where all the magic happens here.
Excellent.
Screw that back on. We have a button here. We have a nice clip that is removable if you want. And we have a button at the bottom here. Now this what makes it a little different from the other flashlights I've been reviewing for them lately, is we have the button on the bottom. And this is the main power switch button. So before you can do anything at all, you have to turn this button on, and now this button here just serves as a way to switch through the different modes, and as well as give you the status of your battery. So as you saw there, we were green, so we're fully charged. And the cutout for the button here is very nice. Your finger fits in there very nicely, and also these, serves to protect the button. And what makes this nice is you can put this in your tool bag and it's not going to accidentally turn on if you put this in the pocket of your tool bag if it just had this button alone. So now you have this button, and it's a nice clicky button, and now your flashlight is not going to accidentally turn on in your tool bag. So I like that. So let's show you the different modes on this. Now to turn it on again, like I said, turn that on, and we are in eco mode, which is 5 lumens. And I'll click it again here, this button right there. And now we are in low mode, which is 50 lumens. Next mode is medium, which is 160 lumens. Next mode is high, which is 500 lumens. Next mode is 1200 lumens. And to go to the strobe mode, you would hold in this button right here for a little over a second, and you would go in to your strobe and SOS modes, and you just like press it again to toggle through the two, SOS or strobe. And the strobe mode is 1200 lumens, and the SOS mode is 50 lumens. And I'm not going to show you the strobe mode because it is hardcore at 1200 lumens. It kind of makes you sick, which I guess is the idea of it. And one thing worth noting here, it does have a very slight yellow spot in the center there. It's hard for the camera to pick it up, and it's kind of, to be honest, it's kind of hard for the human eye to pick it up, but it is noticeable. It is something worth noting, and it's mostly just visible in the lower modes. So let me go, this is eco. We go up one more mode, and it's very hard, to get the camera to pick it up and to show it versus in person. So as you go up in the modes, it's a little harder to see, but it's still there. We'll go toggle through them. And as you go brighter, it's even kind of harder to find, but you can still see like a very slight yellow, kind of a dot. It's kind of in the center hotspot of this light. So, but it's mostly going to come into play on lighter surfaces like this, but it's just something worth noting.